Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It's August 29th, 2024 at 6:53 p.m. And have I got a video for you guys? This video is going to focus on the overall total market cap. Where do I see it going short-term and distant future with technical analysis and a couple easy-to-use tools that I think will help you guys out. If this video interests you, make sure you stick around. All right, now, before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. Now that I said all that, if you're still around, stop. Hit the like button. Help a brother out. I love Cardano. I love Pulse Chain. I like Zen, even though Zen's disappointed me a little bit. If any three of those projects you like, I know you're going to hit that like button to help me up, all right? And leave a comment. Leave some suggestions. Tell me what video. Tell me what you want the video content to cover. Tell me some projects that you want me to look into. I love that kind of stuff. And why not subscribe? All right, let's dive right in, guys. All right, right now you got crypto bubbles. You have Bitcoin sitting at 59,238. What a 1.17 trillion dollar market cap, guys. That is absolutely phenomenal. I've seen it grow so much since 2017. It's sickening. But we're not going to worry about that. You guys can look at all this yourself. Let's dive right into here. All right, where do I see the total market cap? Before we talk about where's the total crypto market cap's going, let's look at the usdebtclock.org. Great tool, awesome to look at, and it just shows reality for what it is. I don't want to run through all the numbers, but obviously the U.S. is in the most debt. And when they turn a money printer on, it doesn't help. It just makes it worse, guys. You see China's right behind us. They're a little bit better, but not much. All right, but just use this tool. This really gives a feeling of what nations stand and why crypto exists. Anyway, jumping forward. All right, next thing up I want to go over is the fear and greed index. As you can see today, the fear and greed index has us pretty damn fearful, in my opinion. Right now, fear is set at 29. We're right at that we're not neutral, but that looks pretty damn fearful to me. I was hoping to make it sound a little better than it is. We're in the fear territory, guys. The market is pulling back. All right. Let's jump forward from here. And this tool is just good just simple tool to use. Gives you an immediate feeling for where the market stands at the given day, the moment. All right, let's jump forward. All right, this is something I was playing around with. What I did was I have the total crypto market cap, which is currently not going to come up properly for me. Yeah, butthead. All right, the total crypto market cap sitting at $2.051 trillion, which is amazing. All right, now we're going to jump back over here to this chart. And what I did was I have the total crypto market cap compared against the NASDAQ, the SPX, SP 500, I'm sorry, the UK 100, which I really don't know much about, and this is the Shanghai something Chinese, their index, all right? And it's rather new, actually, but I had to find something, so I ran with it. But what I wanted to do is I pulled this chart out to start at 2017. That way we could compare what has crypto done for us, all right? How much has it moved? So we're going to start off at May. Well, that's far enough. We'll start off right here at May 2017 when crypto started to move. April of 23rd of 2017. And then you can see crypto just took off. Now look, compare this. From that point to now, we're at the overall total crypto market cap has increased by 16,554.89%. That is amazing. And you can see down here from that point to now the Shanghai DAX increased by 56. I can't quite tell what that increased by. It doesn't come up. Oh, I'm sorry, that one's not the correct one. Sorry. From that point, you can see that the NASDAQ increased by 110%. The S&P 500 increased by, can I see it? The S&P 500 increased by 63.70, a little bit more than that. Couldn't quite see. Oh, I'm sorry, 95. We'll go to 95% for that one, guys. The UK 100 increased by 23%. Nothing to really brag about. It's phenomenal how much crypto has in comparison. You know what I mean? I hope I get the drift of this as I bring this in closer to 2021 and you can see it's still at this point from 2021, we're still up 152% compared to a 26, which is for the UK, 16%, which is for the S&P 500, Nasdaq's at a 4.87%. So what I'm trying to get through your noggins, that crypto is still a better bet in my personal humble opinion. But it does require patience, and the volatility is off the hook. But it is what it is. But even all the people that wrote this out came all the way down. You're still way above if you just went with traditional investing. All right, but it is high risk. And diversification is key. All right, I hope you like that chart. Hope I didn't trip over myself too much with that, but it is what it is. All right. So right here we have a total market cap, and we can see I have a couple peaks here, and each peak has a little star beside it. This one's the 2017 bull run right here. That's marked at January 1st, 2018. Then we have another one here, another peak here at May 10th, 2021, and then another peak at November 8th, 2020. Remember, that was a double peak market, and then double top. And then over here, we have another peak. It wasn't really a peak, but it was a nice little run up, and it got us all extremely excited. And that was on March 11, 2024, which since then you can see that we've been kind of downtrending right here. And it's nothing to get excited about. It's clearly a downtrend, and we're still going down on that wedge. And they're talking, I'm hearing recession more and more, which means we've been in a recession, but so is life. I notice people stop complaining as much, but times are just as hard. People just dealt with it. You know what I mean? All right. So what I wanted to show here is from this point right here, which is the 2017 bull run, peaked out at the total market cap peaked out at $739.986 billion, which is nothing to sneeze at. All right. So then we come up here to the first top on May 10th, 2021, roughly, approximately, it was 2.576 trillion. And then the double top, the second top over here, we came in at 2.999 trillion. We have not broken past that. This recent run up we had early spring, it made it to 2.713 trillion. So that's where we're at, and we're on a downtrend bouncing in between these two lines, resistance and support line here. It is what it is. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. Let's see what some technical analysis can show us. All right, so looking at Super Guppy, old school, super easy to read. You got the 200-day moving average. We are sitting underneath of it right now currently. That's this little blue line right now. Super Guppy is very clearly showing red. Red means bullish. So total market cap, we're bullish right now, guys. It is what it is. I mean, bearish. Duh, bearish. Red, bearish. All right, Ichimoku predicts into the future. We have all these set on the daily charts, by the way. So we're looking out into the future. This looks all the way out to September 23rd, and it is indicating bearishness. It does have a little bit of bullishness in the mix in its prediction, but that's pretty dang bearish to me. So it's looking like the market's going to be pulling back according to the Ichimoku. Now, looking at the moving averages here, we're currently sitting underneath of 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day. That's very bearish. Looks like we're trying to break out over top of the 20-day, but yeah, that's bearish as it's going to get, guys. There's no other way to put about it. And you can see that the 200-day just crossed over the 100-day. So yeah, moving averages, not looking good, guys. Exponential moving average, bearish as heck. We are underneath of the ribbons, extremely bearish. Now remember, this is the total crypto market cap. This is not Bitcoin, it's not Ethereum, not a Cardano, not XRP, not Pulse Chain, not Zen, not anything. This is everything, the whole pot. It's clearly bearish right now, guys, and we're moving into the future on a bearish tip. And this is the daily chart, so this is not like a 2-hour or a 4-hour thing, you know? All right, so let's take one last quick peek at the RSI. Stochastic RSI is short term, extremely bearish. And the RSI, not as short term. It's in a bearish territory, but it looks like it might be trying, but it's bearish, guys. So what does all this say? All this says, according to the charts, the overall total crypto market cap all 2.05 trillion dollars of it is bearish right now. Now, what does bearish mean to me? It means buying opportunities, guys. But you have to buy with confidence. You have to invest. I don't believe in trading because that's how people get wrecked. But if you invest, you'll be okay. All right. Now remember, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. Do your own research. DYOR. All right. Now that's it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe and check out my little t-shirt shop. Help a brother out, help pay for some of my equipment. All right, till next time, peace out.